Hello guys, welcome back. Searching all over YouTube how to make 4K quality edit for TikTok and Instagram? You are at right place. Without wasting any seconds, let's start. Make sure you have After Effects and Topaz Video AI softwares. Okay, first of all, ready with your edit in After Effects. Now add new adjustment layer. Trim the extra part, and delete it. Now select adjustment layer and add unsharp mask effect. Add value same as mine. Add sharp effect now. Add brightness and contrast effect. Make value as per your requirement of video. Now your video is more sharpy and eye-catchy as compared to before. Remove extra seconds, and render the video. Now open exported video on Topaz Video AI. Follow my settings carefully, this part is very important. Turn on enhancement button, select your graphics processor and make video format to MP4. Now change parameters to manual and copy my values. Now open Topaz exported file in After Effects again. Now we make color correction for 4K quality. First of all, add adjustment layer. Add brightness and contrast. Fast forwarding the process, because don't want to make too long tutorial, you can pause and copy my settings. For 4K quality edit is almost ready, you can check after and before. Now add curves to the adjustment layer. Make S curve like me. This curve is not compulsory, but you can add this to enhance more details to your edit. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more After Effects tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next one.